sikwenza mkhulu wena.
Okhulumela abazukulu bakaMthiyane uMangaliso Luthuli uthi bafe olwembiza ngokushiwa ngumkhulu wabo.
You were such an inspiration, not just to me, but I'm sure for everybody you've spoken to. You were always so kind, so gracious, and just full of love. Every time I walk into Lalusha, I was always greeted with a smile from you.
Iphini lenhloko yamajaji uJustice Raymond Zondo ubonge kakhulu ezinganeni zikaMthiyane ngokumnakekela kuze kube sekugcineni.
Siyabonga kakhulu kubantwana bakhe ukuthi siyazi ukuthi benze konke okusemandleni ebebengakwenza ukuthi aphile.
Ijaji lasenkantolo yokwedluliswa kwamacala eBloemfontein uJustice Yvonne uthi kukhulu akufunda kuMthiyane ngomsebenzi.
As an exceptional human being, a most treasured colleague, a good, warm and kind man, someone who made it his task to see to the welfare of his junior colleagues, making sure that they were not overwhelmed by the heavy workload to a breaking point.
Undunankulu wesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal uSihle Zikalala uthi kwathi noma esephumelele empilweni uMthiyane kodwa akazange aze abakhohlwe abantu.
His humble beginning did not make him aloof. His success didn't make him above others. When the eThekwini municipality honored him with a Living Legend Award, he stated that he was doing his job of freeing people through his legal profession without expecting any reward.
Inhloko yamajaji kulelizwe uMhwengi uthi baqemeke udume lwengozi ngokwedlula emhlabeni kaMthiyane.
It truly is a double barrel blow, this one. Because reflecting on what happened, I just couldn't think of a death of somebody I admired or a couple I admired that came closer to it.
Ijaji uMthiyane lazalelwa eNdwedwe enyakatho yeTheku ngo1944 waphothula iziqu zakhe zobumeli eUnisa ngo1972 kwathi ngo1975 waqokwa njengommeli wabesevula inkampani yakhe eThekwini. Umsebenzi wefemu yakhe wawugxile kakhulu emacaleni athinta umphakathi kanye nawezombusazwe. uMthiyane waphinde wathola iziqu ze-LLB kanye ne-LLM ngo1997 waqokwa njengejaji ngaphambi kokuba ijaji lenkantolo yokwedluliswa kwamacala ngo2001. Emsebenzini wakhe wahlonishwa ngezindondo eziningi okubalwa kuzo eThekwini Living Legends ngo2015. uMthiyane ubeshade noSithandiwe Mthiyane naye odlule emhlabeni ezinsukwini ezimbalwa ezedlule. Bashiya ngemuva amadodakazi amane. uMthiyane ubekwa endaweni yakhe yokugcina emathuneni aseRed Hill eThekwini. Lala uphumule esikhangane sakhanga amadoda, lala mnguni. Ngingukhalvin Dludla kwezindaba ze SABC.